What could be better than a garden blooming with basil, tomatoes, peppers and fresh vegetables? Basil makes a great companion plant because it attracts butterflies to your garden and repels many harmful insects. It is said that basil repels aphids, asparagus beetles, mosquitoes, tomato hornworms and whiteflies. Adding basil to your garden does more than provide a fresh supply of the tasty herb. It is also a great companion plant for a number of vegetables and other herbs. Grown close together, basil keeps away common pests. Some gardeners insist that a basil plant in close proximity also improves flavor. Basil is ideal for attracting beneficial insects to your crop. Planting basil near your crops will attract a wide range of insects to the area. More bees visiting your plot will result in more pollination of your vegetable blooms and therefore lead to bigger yields. Thank you for watching my video.